BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum, model HNVC215B10 review. Looking for a fast, convenient way to handle everyday messes at home or in your car? Today's review covers the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum, model HNVC215B10, a compact, rechargeable solution designed for quick and easy cleaning. Design and convenience. This dustbuster is lightweight, cordless, and easy to grab whenever a spill happens. Its portable design makes it ideal for kitchens, living rooms, stairs, and car interiors. When not in use, the included wall mount keeps the vacuum stored neatly and charging, so it's always ready. Suction and performance. Despite its compact size, the Dustbuster delivers strong suction to tackle both small crumbs and larger debris. It handles dust, cereal, coffee grounds, pet hair, and dirt from high-traffic areas with ease, making it a reliable, everyday cleaner. Versatility and tools. The built-in crevice tool allows you to reach tight spaces like couch cushions, corners, and shelf tops without switching attachments. Multi-surface performance makes it suitable for furniture, countertops, car seats, and more. Maintenance and storage. The transparent bagless dirt bowl lets you see when it's time to empty. Both the dirt bowl and filter are washable, helping maintain strong suction and reducing long-term maintenance costs. Final verdict. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum offers powerful performance in a compact, easy-to-use design. It's a practical choice for quick cleanups, small spaces, and on-the-go use in the car. For current pricing and availability, check the product link in the description and the pinned comment.